What's up, guys? So, today I wanted to talk about my experience um, with women versus my brothers. Specifically, so my both my brothers um, were had girlfriends earlier on. Then I never had a girlfriend, but so they had girlfriends. They both had girlfriends like at at a pretty early age, not like super early, but so I was just thinking how like because they had a girlfriend like their entire adult life basically, at least, or most of their adult life so far, they didn't have any drive to learn about psychology. I'm not saying good or bad or anything. It's just they didn't have any drive to learn about women because they always got women. They always had women in their lives. But for me, I never had a girlfriend, so I it I mean, the one experience that I had like that I was like really that this girl didn't like me, and then I kind of liked her, and then that drove me to dive into female psychology and learn a bunch about relationships with women. And so, but if I would have never had that horrible experience with women, or not had a girlfriend, or had a girlfriend earlier on, or had a girlfriend at all, I don't think I would have dove into these psychological um, aspects of relationships. I know I probably wouldn't have until my relationship with um, the person got really bad, or just like, you know, um, whether it was marriage or a relationship. Um, so either way, I'm just glad that I had that pain in order to dive into psychology and learn even the fundamentals of relationships. Um, because, like I said, if I would have been like my brothers, I mean, I would have had no reason to learn about psychology, because I always attracted women. But I had to learn the steps of attracting women, and now I can help other people, and now I can, you know, grow from the bottom versus being like always attractive to women and always have a girlfriend.